Opposite words. Today's activity is about
Opposite words.
opposite
Words.
Okay. See. Big.
Small.
Big.
Small.
Big.
Small.
Long.
Short.
Long.
Short.
Stand up everyone and say long.
Short.
Long.
Short.
Fat.
Thin.
Fat.
Thin.
Fat.
Thin.
Happy.
Sad.
Happy.
Sad.
Beautiful.
Ugly.
Beautiful.
Ugly.
Next. Give.
Take.